Dr. Ed Damascus. I'm a plastic surgeon in Newport Beach, California, our beautiful city in our beautiful state of California. Today, I'd like to talk to you about the recovery from cosmetic surgery procedures. As we talked about before in other videos, which you may want to see on the internet or YouTube, non-surgical procedures can be done, and recovery can actually take several days from those because of bruising in most cases. But from cosmetic surgery procedures, the recovery is definitely longer. With certain procedures, it's going to be less. A lot of it depends upon the individual themselves, not only the surgeon but also the patient. Let's say if you bruise easily, and most people know that, it's going to take you longer for the bruising to go down. Let's say you have a facial procedure such as an eye lift or a facelift. If you bruise easily, it's going to take you probably 14 days for all the bruising to go away. If you don't bruise easily, then you may be presentable with it as little as a week. So it really depends upon the individual and how they bruise primarily. Several other factors can also enter into this. It also depends upon how many procedures you have at the same time. In most cases, no matter how many procedures you have, you're going to heal concurrently. In other words, together. You're not going to heal from, let's say, breast implants and a tummy tuck. It's not going to take you 2 weeks from a breast implant to heal, another 2 weeks for a tummy tuck. It's going to take you the same length of time. But during that time, you may be down longer. You may feel more dragged out during that particular time, simply because of the fact that there's more trauma to your body, which is logical. The other thing is that it may bring your blood level down, and you may experience somewhat of an anemia. Sometimes I anticipate this if I feel that we are going to lose a little bit more blood, or the patient tells me that they are bruised quite easily. Then I'll have them donate a unit of their own blood and then give it to them back at surgery. We call this autologous blood. In most cases, the recovery is fairly short, within 2 weeks. In some cases, it's even shorter. There really isn't any limitations as far as liposuction is concerned. What limits the patient is the pain involved, which is in most cases fairly minimal, or the black and blueness, which normally can't be covered up. In most cases, within several days, the patient can return to more normal activities. Heavy activity and all activity, a patient can return normally within a 2-week period. It's unusual that it would take longer than 2 weeks, but it can occur. I would suggest to my patients and to you, if you have plastic surgery, to be more conservative. Even though you feel good, listen to your plastic surgeon. Don't be your own guide. If you have any questions about whether you should or shouldn't do the procedure, it's very easy to call the plastic surgeon's office, or I have patients emailing me all the time, which I respond to, and I always recommend that they be more conservative. This avoids complications. It helps you recover adequately and more quickly and gives you a better result, and that's what our goal is. Safety as well as best result for you. I welcome patients from all over the world, and also can do internet consultations, which I've been doing for over 10 years. I invite you to come visit me in beautiful Newport Beach. My office is located in Fashion Island, and my office number is 949-640-6324, and you can find me on the web at www.surgery-plastic.com.